Okay, pop filters. If you know me or have seen any of my content, you probably know how I feel about these things. I don't like them. As long as you have proper microphone technique, you can completely throw them out, but they can serve a purpose, the main one being a glorified spit guard. If you have multiple people recording on one microphone in a day, you might want to use one of these to help prevent everyone's saliva from spewing all over that precious, expensive microphone. However, if you are the only one to ever use and record on your microphone, then by all means, you can just get rid of these completely. A little later on in the course, we'll get to proper microphone technique, but until then, these little things are designed to stop gusts of air from hitting the microphone and causing spikes in the audio that don't sound very pleasing to the ears, mainly for words that have P's in them. Let's take the word plosive because that's what they call it when this happens. If I get right up on the microphone and say the word plosive, you heard that big gust of air from the P and that word hit the microphone capsule and it didn't sound very professional. Again though, just by using proper microphone technique, you can prevent this and never need to use one of these annoying contraptions in the first place, but we'll get to all that later.